boys, my people traders. Now it's Isaac FX back in today's video. So now guys, just do me a favor, share and like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So now we are going to do an analysis about the CPI, and just remember today, in the previous weeks we have been in total consolidation. So now we did get setups according to my strategy, and I did give some update on the previous episode in my Telegram channel, telling the guys that I'm still patient for our setup to pan out. So now we expect the CPI to be so bullish. So now that is for the majors, especially the GU, GBPUSD, EU and the AUDUSD. So now we expect to have good market conditions, especially after the news release, and we shall go bullish on those pairs that I've mentioned. So now we expect to have a setup during the landing session that will be either Tuesday or Wednesday, and we hope to buy in time. So now let's go into the trading view and see how to go about it. Now let's go. Alright, I just added one pair to my watch list. So now that is the USD card. So now this pair is going to provide some opposite setups compared to the GBPUSD, USD and the AUDUSD. So now we are going to make a weekly analysis about what is going to happen the next week. That is, we expect to have some strange news at the CPI, and we expect to have some good volatility in the market. So now we are going to make analysis and an update about the video I just released in the previous episode. So now we are going to begin with the Euro USD. So now let's get on the chart. So now we expect the USD to come into this zone that I had anticipated in the previous week. So now remember, we just had some good market consolidation in the previous week. That is, this is what happened, because there were no setups and we just waited, and I just gave an update in my Telegram channel. So guys, if you know you have not joined, please just know you're missing a lot in that group. So now we did get setups in the previous week. So now we're just waiting for the market to come and test my zone and we buy. So we expect to get around 200 pips when the time comes. That is 200. So now as you can see, that is a good price range. So now let's go for the next pair, that is around GBPUSD. So now let's see how to analyze it. So now we expect GBPUSD to come into this zone, and this is going to be a buying zone, and we also expect to get over 100 pips. Now we have to wait for this to pan out. That will be probably next week before the CPI, and we expect a big bullish movement into this zone. So now we have to wait for it. So now let's go for the next pair. So now that will be AUDUSD. So now we also expect AUDUSD to come into this good zone, and we buy from there. So now we also expect to get some good pips out of this setup. So now that is around 178 pips, as we are looking for bullish market conditions. So we expect to buy the CPI. So now I am expecting a bullish CPI on this major pair. So now let's go to the USD card. Now USD card is going to provide opposite setups compared to the GBPUSD, USD, AUDUSD, and it's also likely to provide some good setups. So now we expect to have selling setups in this zone, and we have to have this as our target level. So now let's wait for what CPI is going to bring on table, and we shall act upon it smartly. So now we have to be patient for next week, especially in the landing session of Wednesday or Tuesday. So now we hope to get it smashed up. So now we shall make an update about the CPI after the release. So now, and I'll be live trading the CPI in case the market conditions are fair and good. So now let's wait. Please, so guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as to motivate me always to create good content for you guys. And let's keep updated in the Telegram channel. Okay guys, so peace.